Today it's Monday, January 19, 2026. This is a small update for both owners, for both DAZAs, okay? One with a brand new block, it's here. I have put the piece connectors inside, we're gonna see the engine again later. Now it's not the time, alright? So, I built the short block, done from this side, alright? And on Saturday, I received valves. Intake valves, exhaust valves, by Ferrea, alright? The same thing here, intake valves, exhaust valves by Ferrea, and the lifter seam. Okay, I have to make one test on that to see the ratio, that it's supposed to be fine because nobody touched the guide or the valve seat, but just in case you make one test to see that you have enough clearance. Now, one set of valves with the seams, so I need 20 seams, this is quantity 40. Yep, quantity 40. Struggling with one hand. Yay, that was smart. So, I need to get 4 from this bag and put it here, another 4 from this one and put it here, and then this is gonna be for one engine, and this is gonna be for the other engine. Let me do that to throw the box out. No, actually, I like this box, and I'm keeping them to put any parts inside. So if he doesn't want the owner, I can keep it. Otherwise, I'm gonna give to him back. I think I have even more than one. Yeah, there. I have another 2 boxes, at least. Fine, let me do that to finalize this, to move on. Yeah, there we go. Now, quantity 20 and quantity 20. One set of valves and seams. I can keep it here. All right, fine. So these 2 boxes, they will gonna end up here. Whoops. Alright. They're gonna end up here because this cylinder head is not ready, it needs to go for CNC. Alright. I will gonna lap the valves and then we're gonna send it. I'm gonna lap the valves, I'm gonna clean it, and then we're gonna send it to the CNC machine to machine the cylinder head. Alright. Still, I don't have the pistons for this engine, for this DAZA, so it can wait. I can do it second. The first one that I have to do is for this one, for the DAZA Alpha December 11. All right, because I have the cylinder head, came back from the CNC machine, and I can start lapping the valves, wash it for final, and putting it together. All right, that's one thing. Then they ask me how much they have resurfaced this cylinder head. Let me put also this on the video to get one measurement to compare this cylinder head that's been resurfaced to compare it with this one that's never been resurfaced. Okay, let me put also this on the video. I need the valves, the seams. I don't need it for now. The seams, it's not now the time. The seams, I can put them here. Keep them here. I have also the paperwork here for this is for the pistons. Yes, for the pistons. Alright, keep the seams over there. I need the valves there. I need the cylinder head to lap the valves, like I said, and I need also to get the measurement for the thickness, the height. Yeah, let's do that to finalize the video, and then what will gonna happen? I'm gonna start lapping valves. Yay, 40 valves, 20 here, another 20 over there. Lovely. My favorite. Not, it's not. Let's move on. I didn't open the cover till now, alright, for the cylinder head I'm talking about. I can see there are some signs. There is no problem for these signs. It's just only, I believe that they put on the ultrasonic cleaner, an ultrasonic bath, probably. Never mind, I'm gonna wash it again with one way or the other. I have to remove these valves and valve springs. And the camshafts, once upon a time, they had some surface rust that, once again, I don't care about the camshafts because on this engine I'm gonna put the upgrade camshafts. Alright, and you see the lobes. Yeah, it is what it is. Let me put also this on the video, and now let me get one measurement from this cylinder head to compare it with this one. Okay, at 24 degrees Celsius, with my tools, with my hands, alright, this cylinder head, it's at 139.59 millimeters at this point, alright, and this cylinder head But this on the same point like the other one, it's 139.42. That means it's been removed 0.17 millimeters. All right. If I measure this one compared to this one, this has been down by 0.17 of millimeter. It's okay, I guess. It's, yeah, I can put on the milling machine, I can put it on the table, you know, and come and read it in different spots. And the same thing also on that. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, come on. It's not more than 0.2 of millimeter. It's 0.17. Ideal, if you don't have to, you don't resurface the cylinder head, if you're asking me. But yeah, here we are. Okay, this one, what you see here, is by me. You're not gonna affect anything, it's far away, don't worry. I'm just saying that this is by me. And the same thing also here. This. Ideal, you want to read to see that it's nice and straight. You know, you read it in different spots. You can read it on the milling table. But again, that's the number, 0.17. Take it or leave it. Enough with the videos, enough talking. Now, I'm gonna put this cylinder head back over there, and I'm gonna continue lapping the valves on this cylinder head, clean it for final, putting it together, and continue building the engine, right? That's it for now. Thank you. Over and out.